Olive oil dishes are an essential part of Turkish cuisine. Known for their light, fresh and wholesome flavours, they are enjoyed throughout the year and are a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Leeks have been cultivated and enjoyed for centuries and are naturally rich in fibre, vitamins and antioxidants. When slowly cooked with olive oil, they become tender, flavourful and incredibly comforting. Simple, nutritious and full of flavour, this traditional recipe has remained a favourite in Turkish homes for generations. Today we're making Turkish olive oil braised leeks. I've received so many requests for this recipe, so here's the full version. This is one of those dishes that tastes great at any temperature. You can enjoy it hot, warm or cold. For the best flavour, don't forget to add a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's light enough to serve as a side dish, yet satisfying enough to enjoy as a meal on its own. Simple, healthy and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!